There's something truly special about modified cars. They're not just vehicles anymore, they become an extension of personality, creativity, and sometimes even rebellion. In India, car culture has grown in unexpected ways. While traffic and road conditions might not be perfect, that hasn't stopped enthusiasts from turning everyday cars into stunning machines. Some of these builds are sleek and elegant, while others are wild and aggressive. But they all have one thing in common: they grab attention wherever they go. This isn't about luxury supercars or imported beasts. This is about Indian passion, Indian streets, and Indian imagination. We're counting down the 10 most stylish modified cars in India. These cars have earned love and respect across auto expos, car meets, and social media, not because of their price tags, but because of the effort, design, and heart behind every modification. Number 10. Skoda Octavia VRS, the Black Beast. The Skoda Octavia VRS is already a performance sedan, but the Black Beast version takes it to another level. Wrapped in matte black, it looks menacing and sleek. Deep dish alloy wheels with low-profile tyres give it a wide, aggressive stance. The lowered suspension hugs the road without compromising daily usability. Under the hood, it often features a Stage 2 ECU tune, upgraded intake systems, and a custom exhaust, making it seriously quick. This isn't just a car that looks fast, it is fast. When it pulls up beside you, the sound and presence alone make it clear this beast means business. Number 9. Mahindra Thar, Desert Storm Edition. The Mahindra Thar has always been a favourite among adventure lovers, but the modified Desert Storm version takes it to another level. This Thar is built for both city roads and rough terrain, with upgrades that scream toughness. The first thing you'll notice is the lifted suspension and massive all-terrain tyres. They make the Thar look like it's ready to climb mountains, and in many cases, it actually can. The body is finished in a rugged sand-coloured wrap, giving it a military vibe. The bumpers are swapped out for heavy-duty steel ones with built-in winches. Add to that a custom roof rack, LED bar lights, and a snorkel for deep water wading, and you have a vehicle that looks like it belongs in an off-road movie. Inside, the seats are replaced with more supportive ones, and there's even a custom infotainment system for long drives. This Thar is proof that you can be stylish and rugged at the same time. 8. Maruti Suzuki Gypsy Retro Rally Build. The Maruti Suzuki Gypsy has earned legendary status in India, and the retro rally builds take it to a whole new level. These projects start with a complete body restoration, followed by classic rally paint schemes, like white with red stripes or army green. Race suspension and chunky off-road tyres give it real presence, while rally wheels complete the tough look. Inside, it's all business: stripped-down interiors, racing bucket seats, roll cage, and rally meters. These gypsies blend old-school charm with rally-ready upgrades, staying true to their roots while turning heads everywhere. It's nostalgia on wheels, rugged and full of personality. Toyota Fortuner Street Edition. The Toyota Fortuner is already a popular SUV in India, but the modified Street Edition flips its personality completely. Instead of looking like a rugged family SUV, it becomes a street-style monster. This version features a wide-body kit that gives it a broader stance. The headlights and taillights are replaced with sleek LED units. The wheels are oversized and sport low-profile tires, giving it a muscular look. You'll often see these Fortuners in glossy black or dark grey with carbon fiber accents. Inside, the leather seats are upgraded, the sound system gets a boost, and ambient lighting is added for a luxury feel. Some even go the extra mile and install air suspension systems, allowing the car to drop low when parked. It's stylish, bold, and definitely turns heads when rolling down the street.
6. Honda City, JDM inspired. Honda fans know this one well. The Honda City has always been a favorite for modders in India, and the JDM-inspired builds are easily among the most eye-catching. These modified cities take cues from Japanese street racing culture. The cars are lowered with performance coilovers, fitted with deep dish rims and often wrapped in bright colors or classic JDM shades like candy red or racing blue. The front bumper is swapped for a more aggressive version, often with canards and splitters. Under the hood, many of them get tuned engines, free-flow exhausts, and upgraded intakes. It's not just about looking good, many of these cars are genuinely quick. Inside, you'll find racing steering wheels, short shifters, and even roll cages in more serious builds. It's the kind of car that reminds you how far a little passion can go. 5. Tata Nano, the Lamborghini look. The Tata Nano turned Lamborghini lookalike is one of the wildest car mods in India. Known as the country's most affordable car, this Nano was reshaped with fiberglass panels to mimic a mini supercar. It features scissor doors, wide fenders, dual exhausts, and redesigned lights. Inside, it has sporty leather seats and a custom center console. While the engine stays modest, the real charm lies in its bold, creative transformation. It's a head-turner at every event, proving you don't need a big budget to make a big impression. 4. Isuzu V-Cross, Beast Mode. The Isuzu V-Cross is a solid pickup truck that's built to take on tough roads, but when someone decides to unlock its full potential, it turns into a monster. This version of the V-Cross features a full lift kit, giant mud-terrain tires, and extended fender flares. A matte wrap, custom roof lights, steel bumpers, and even bull bars give it an unstoppable look. The rear bed is modified with a roll cage and often holds off-road gear like jerry cans and shovels. On the inside, the comfort is improved with premium seat covers, touchscreen controls, and sometimes even star ceiling lighting. What makes this mod so stylish is its aggressive design that still feels functional. It looks ready to crush through forests or deserts while keeping you comfortable inside. 3. Hyundai i20 Clean Euro Build. The i20 might seem like a humble hatchback, but when modified with a clean European style, it becomes a subtle yet stunning car. This type of mod focuses on clean lines, sharp angles, and a minimalist approach. The bumpers are slightly reshaped, and the car is lowered just enough to hug the road. Glossy paint finishes, smoked lights, and European-style wheels give it a premium look. There's no wild spoiler or extreme body kit here, just tasteful upgrades that show restraint and class. Inside, the upgrades continue with Alcantara inserts.
Maruti Suzuki Swift Track Machine. The Swift is one of India's most modified cars, and when someone turns it into a track-focused machine, it's a whole new level of excitement. This version of the Swift features a low stance, wide wheels, and sticky tires. The aerodynamics are improved with front lips, rear spoilers, and even rear diffusers. Some owners go as far as stripping out the interiors, installing roll cages, racing seats, and fire extinguishers. The engine mods are serious too. Bigger intakes, custom exhausts, and upgraded clutches. It's not just a show car, it's built for lap times. On weekends, you'll often find cars like this on tracks like BIC or MMRT. It's the perfect example of how a common hatchback can become a proper performance car with the right modifications. DC Avanti, the Indian supercar reimagined. At number 1, we have something truly unique, the DC Avanti. While it's not a mod of another car, the Avanti often gets heavily customized by its owners, and that's where things get really stylish. Designed by Dilip Chhabria, the Avanti is already India's first homegrown sports car. Modified versions of the Avanti feature custom wraps, new bumpers, redesigned grilles, and upgraded lights. Inside, the modifications go deeper with digital clusters, custom upholstery, and even upgraded sound systems. While the engine remains largely stock, the visual transformation is jaw-dropping. The Avanti looks like a mix between a Ferrari and a McLaren, and the modified versions turn that design up to 11. It's bold, futuristic, and completely different from anything else on Indian roads. These cars aren't just machines, they're rolling pieces of art. Each one tells a story of passion, time, effort, and love for automobiles. In a country where roads can be unpredictable and rules are strict, these car owners have still found a way to express their creativity. From small hatchbacks to rugged SUVs, the variety is endless, and the results are truly inspiring. If you enjoyed this visual journey through India's most stylish modified cars, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends who love cars as much as you do. And if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.